Hi friend, Brent here. Have you been searching for ways to make money from home? Or maybe you've tried to research some side gigs that don't take up too much time? Maybe you've heard of ClickBank as a recurring theme in your searches and how it can generate income for you. However, what you may not have heard of is how ClickBank can actually sink you and your budding business, especially if you're just starting out. Well, today I'm here to show you what not to do if you're just starting off with affiliate marketing and ClickBank. I'm especially excited for today's video because I'm going to address one of the biggest problems with the way people are teaching and doing affiliate marketing with ClickBank and other networks. Look, there are a lot of videos out there that include great strategies for beginners. They're designed to lower the barrier of entry so you don't feel like you need a website or upfront investment or even an email list. And that's fine because sometimes we need to learn things step by step. I even have some videos on this channel like that, but I'd be lying to you if I told you can build a long-term sustainable business building an empire like the gurus you see online just by these methods. No, to build a real business that can potentially replace your 9-to-5, you need to take your strategies up a notch, build real assets, and recognize that growing an online business takes patience. But don't worry, because while the road isn't easy, it's pretty simple to understand, and I can break that down for you in a matter of minutes. So watch until the end of this video because I'm about to show you how to use ClickBank the right way and how you can turn this into a full-time business. And before I dive into today's content, go ahead and click that like button, subscribe to my channel, and leave your thoughts in the section below. I look at my comments after each video and use them to come up with new ideas for future videos. Plus, it's totally free to subscribe and it ensures you see the latest videos that I make as soon as they drop. Okay, so let's dive in and talk about a sustainable long-term business. Step 1. You need to pick a niche with multiple products that you can promote. I see this all the time. People find one product they really like on ClickBank, they think they can promote, so they go all in on that one product. The problem is, that's the wrong way to use ClickBank. What you want to do is pick a niche that has many products that you can promote that also stack upon each other. This switch from product focus to niche focus helps you better understand and serve your customers. Marketing becomes easier when you know your customer and are involved daily in the niches that they care about. Here are the 3 main niches that I like to stick with: health, wealth, and relationships. Now you can drill down from these niches to make yourself truly unique and stand out, but you want to stay in these categories because not only of the large number of products available for these niches, but also people are willing to pay a lot of money to have better health, more wealth, and stronger relationships. The next step is to never link directly to ClickBank. Let's say you're posting reviews or videos on YouTube, or maybe you're engaging with people on your Facebook group or Reddit threads. What most marketers do when they first get started is they send people directly to ClickBank sales pages for a product they're promoting. And look, that's fine if you're just getting started and this is new to you, but the right way to do this long term is to send people to an opt-in page where they can build your email list. The reason for this is because often ClickBank sales pages or sales videos for whatever product you're selling will contain some helpful information that people would want to know. I was actually watching the sales video for one of their products the other day and I learned a ton about the benefits for fasting and losing weight. So before you let them access that information, you want to collect their email address first from what we call an opt-in page or a landing page. This way, instead of just getting one chance to promote just one product, you have their information on file and you can send them regular emails giving them new content, encouraging them to buy the product, and even recommending something different that they might like. Now here's an example of a professionally designed landing page. It has a catchy title, a place for someone's email address, and a bright blue button, one you can't miss asking the visitor to take action. It helps that this page is promoting a free report. This is called a lead magnet, and it's one of the most effective ways of gathering email addresses. After you've collected someone's email address, it's important to email your list regularly. Look, I can tell you first that the most important asset on your online business is your email list. The truth is, as long as I have an email list, I'll be okay. Having a social media following is great, but I'd honestly rather have a list instead. Why? Because it's one of the things you truly own in your business. It's not subject to algorithm changes or the whim of tech giants that created them. It's 100% yours, and by the way, that's why I recommend having multiple products to promote. If you're going to email your list regularly, it would be smart to have more than one product that you're sharing with them so they don't get sick of hearing about the same thing over and over again. Not only that, but one product might not be the right fit for your customers. They may come to you and say, hey, I really want to lose weight, but I don't want to cut the carbs. Do you have any other recommendations? Well, you have a host of other products in your back pocket. You'll be able to service everyone individually, and so that would be how to build a true empire online. So if you've been following along, let me summarize this video as best as I can. The wrong way to do ClickBank is to basically spam YouTube or Facebook groups with your affiliate link. The right way to do ClickBank and any affiliate marketing is to have a handful of products to promote. Grow an email list and promote your products regularly to that list. Now, I hope this helps you in your way of thinking. If you'd like more information on how to grow your email list and how to find the best products to promote and what to send to your list, hit the subscribe button because again, I regularly release new videos that dive deep into how you can build a long-term and sustainable affiliate marketing business from scratch. And that's a wrap, YouTube. I want to thank you so much for staying with me till the end. If I've provided value in this video, please hit that like button. And if you want to learn more about other online strategies to generate income that work today, check out this video I've linked in either the card above or in the end screen. I'd also like to know if you've tried or are using ClickBank, and if so, what strategies are you using? What niche are you in? Write a little something below. I'd love to start a friendly conversation with you. This is Brent, your friendly affiliate, telling you to stay straight, stay true, and most importantly, never give up.